Hey guys, I just made my slime. I'm done with it. So this is it here. It's really good actually. I'm gonna. Quick story short. I've done a video about it, but you know what the bad thing is? The video wasn't even recording. It stopped recording halfway through, and that's only when I was talking. So this is it here. It's really good. It's really stretchy. It's really soft, as you can see. What you can do, you can poke it loads of times like that. Poke it, and then you can fold it over, poke it a few times, and keep doing that. Few times actually you can do it, but there, as you know, I'll tell you how to make it now. I'm just gonna say how to make it. I'm gonna set you guys up and I'm gonna show you how stretchy it is. So 2 seconds, and now we're ready. So guys, it's really stretchy, as you can tell. And you can rip it. It's actually really cool already. So look at that. It looks really cool when you rip it. And then you can make it, you can pull it, stretch it really far. And then you can just pull, rip it, and then keep doing that for ages. But I'll tell you one thing, you can't keep it out for that long or it'll dry up. So if I would tell you, well, this one that I made, it won't actually dry up, but some of the slime, some of the fluffy slimes will actually dry up really easily. So it's really stretchy, and now I'm going to tell you how to make it. So you need eye contact solution, or all biogel, non-biogel, or borax, but that's really hard to find here in Ireland. We don't really have it in most shops, so you can do that. But what I use eye contact solution. I got it in Boots for really cheap. It was only like €3. It's cheap because it's normally like €9. So this is it here. It's actually really good. So now I'm going to tell you how to make it. This is really good slime, fluffy slime. So all you need is eye contact solution, or all that non-biogel, borax, but it's hard to find here, already is now, I told you. And so what I used was eye contact solution. Then I poured in 2 bottles of glue first. Then I put in food colouring. Then I put in a whole bottle of shaving foam. And then I put in baking up soda. And then I put in the eye contact solution. And then I mix it really well. And then I let it settle for a while. And then I came back. This is it here. It was really good. It was really stretchy. It's really soft. And when I was done, I put a bit more of shaving foam in to make it a bit more soft. But then at the end, I actually put a bit of baby powder on so it doesn't dry up. That's the way that you can do it to make it not dry up. So guys, I'm probably gonna make some more. I might start selling it. And guys, for now, I will see you later. Goodbye.